Hello guys, this is Vysh. So today is Monday, May 15th and History Day. So today we'll discuss spectrum specific because some students were requesting for our lecture based MCQs. Okay, so we have already done it in 2017 2025 video playlist which covers your entire modern history in English medium, and that is sufficient for you to answer most of the questions which comes in prelims. Okay, so that lecture specific, okay, explanations also I'll not be doing too much because we already have video classes for that, and I'll show you the screenshots from the lectures. Okay, so you can WhatsApp me if you are new to this channel, and we have unlimited lectures for almost every subject, every textbook of UPSC, which no other channel in this country is giving right now. So if you are not aware of all these things, please WhatsApp me and start learning the right way from the right source, because once you delay all these things, then you will not be able to clear the exam. Okay, so question 1, which of the following are true? Congress did not participate in the first and third roundtable conference. B.R. Ambedkar proposed separate electorates for the untouchables in the first roundtable conference. Gandhi clashed with Ambedkar in the second roundtable conference. Muslim League participated in all three roundtable conferences. Okay, so these three roundtable conferences which happened in 1930, 31, 32 is one of the most important events which is mentioned in detail in your spectrum textbook, and you should be aware of who participated, who did not participate, what were the important decisions, who were the British Prime Minister that time or the Governor General that time, Viceroy that time. All these things you are supposed to know. Okay, and if you don't know, that means your preparation has been weak, or maybe you did not do it from the right source at the right time. Okay, so these statements about roundtable conference 1, 2 and 3, you have to tell which of the following are true. So here the answer will be D, 1, 2, 3, 4, everything is true. Okay, Congress actually participated only in the second roundtable conference. Gandhi represented it. It happens every year, those years in the end of, I think, around December time in there in London, in UK, it will happen, and Indians will go there. And that time Ambedkar, I think, went in all the conferences, and this Muslim League went in all the conferences. Then this princely state representatives, the kings and all, they all will go. Okay, it's like a holiday trip also for them. Everybody will go there and discuss things. Okay, but the Congress party as a whole have represented by Gandhi, and I think Madan Mohan Malaviya along with him. That photo is also there. I taught you in the spectrum. So that thing, okay, see, like this conference, Gandhi was sitting there in the second roundtable conference, which happened in 1931 December, and obviously talks, everything failed only. Whatever India wanted, the Britishers will never support. And like that, Ambedkar tried introducing the separate electorates, which again there was a problem, and people were having clash, and Gandhi and Ambedkar also had oppositions. Okay, that also UPSC have already asked. Okay, Gandhi versus Ambedkar, a mains question have already come. Gandhi versus Subhash Chandra Bose, also a mains question has already come. So these are all already, as I told, 6-7 years back, I have taken detailed lectures. These are screenshots from that same lecture only. So please go and watch it. Okay, then you will not need any other guidance for modern history. This is India's #1 lectures, okay, in English medium, that I can guarantee you. Now, second question, which action was considered as the last nail in the coffin for British rule in India? Okay, this is written exactly like this in the spectrum, and also it is asked already in the prelims before. Okay, cabinet mission, INA trials at Red Fort, Royal Indian Mutiny, or Japan's invasion of Burma. Okay, these were historical events which happened. So the last nail in the coffin means obviously the last blunder or the mistake which happened during the time of British rule, and after which Britishers had to go away from this country. So, all these things happened around that time only, 1946-47 time. And each thing, okay, this Red Fort trial was asked in 2018 prelims. Royal Mutiny was already asked. Japan's invasion of Burma is asked. Cabinet mission is asked at least 5 times in prelims. So these things and all should be by heart. Okay, any time in the middle of the night I come and ask you also, you should be able to tell by heart all these things with the timeline, with the personalities. That is the sign of a very true aspirant. So here the answer will be the Royal Indian Mutiny, okay, which happened at that time, and again protest and all was there. It is not like everybody supported them. Many people did not support. Okay, many popular political parties, including Congress and all, did not participate or did not support these riots which happened in the ship. Okay, in the Navy people. So this again, as I told, I'm not explaining all these things because that needs a lot of time. Already a very detailed explanation is done with pictures in my lectures. Question number 3. Who among the following resigned from the council to oppose against Rowlatt Act? Okay, Rowlatt Act 1919, you should know because it led to many other things also after that. So who all resigned? Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Madan Mohan Malaviya, Mazur ul Haq, or all the above? So Rowlatt Act, which was also called the Black Act, and then All India Hartal happened, I think, for the first time that time, and 2 people were arrested, like without any warrant or anything. That is the act actually. You can arrest anyone for sedition kind of thing. So I think Saifuddin Kichlu and Dr. Satyapal, 2 people were arrested and put in some jail, and people were peacefully protesting in this Baisakhi Day, April 14, in Jallianwala Bagh in Punjab. And that time this General Dyer will come with that thing and tank and all and shoot. Okay, that already movie has come now, so you would have seen how painful it would have been. Many people died, and that is why there's a Black Act. Okay, so that time many resigned from the council. So who are those people? Answer is D, all the above. Okay, so this again, if you see, Black Act, Black Bill to be passed, like that newspaper also it came. A government can imprison any person without trial and conviction in the court of law, enabling the government to suspend the right of habeas corpus. Okay, so habeas corpus in polity you would be studying. There will be no right for the humans here. Okay, in this case, in this act. So that is why every member opposed it, and these 3 people resigned also. Gandhi called for a nationwide protest and hartal, fasting, prayers, every kind of thing happened. So again, I have told everything. Okay, this one person's name it is Rowlatt, based on which the act has come. So this is the detail. Now question number 4, identify the Indian nationalist. He was also called Kapolatiya Tamilian or Tamil helmsman. Okay. He was a disciple of Bal Gangadhar Tilak and led Swadeshi movement in Tamil Nadu. He was later charged with sedition by the British government and sentenced to life imprisonment. He launched the first indigenous shipping service between Tuticorin and Colombo with the Swadeshi Steam Navigation Company. So all the details and explanations are given here itself. Now you just have to identify the person. C. Rajagopalachari, Kamarajar, Chidambaram Pillai, Anandacharlu. Again, about all these people in your spectrum, one thing or the other will be mentioned, and you should know for what these people are there. Okay, there's another one more, K. Kelappan. He's also in this same area in the textbook. You will find his name also. Okay, so what they were leading, who led the Swadeshi movement in Tamil Nadu, who led the salt movement in Tamil Nadu, then who led the Quit India movement in Tamil Nadu. Like that, whenever in center something is happening in the states also, in Kerala, in Tamil Nadu, in Madhya Pradesh, in the northeast, everywhere someone will be leading some riot. So those names are also important. It's not like you stick to only Gandhi and Bal Gangadhar Tilak and the Nehru and all the central people. That is not enough. All the state-wise leaders are also important. They all played a big role in independence. So here the answer is C. Chidambaram Pillai. Okay, so there is no other explanation. This itself is taken everything from the spectrum textbook only. Question number 5. Arrange the following in order of oldest to newest. Okay, this is the favorite thing of UPSC. They will ask you the timeline or the year or the chronology. Okay, so here if you see Surat split, formation of Muslim League, Morlamento reforms, and third Delhi Darbar. Okay, there were 3 Darbars, Delhi Darbar, for which my students have given revision chart also, and Morlamento reforms, and then after that Montagu Chelmsford reforms will come. Then Muslim League was formed. After that the Hindutva thing related RSS and other things will be formed. Then Surat split is happening. After that, a Lucknow Pact will happen. Every event which I tell now like this, you should be able to tell. If you are not able to tell, means you have not watched my spectrum or you have not learned from a good source. Okay, so here if you see, either 4 or 2 is in the starting. Okay, meaning either Delhi Darbar or the formation of Muslim League. So any event, if you know, you could cut short and come to 2 options at least. So Muslim League was formed earlier, 1906. Okay, so the 2 should come early. So these 2 will go away. Okay, so now again if you see 4 or 1. Okay, so 4 is C, third Delhi Darbar, and then here it is Surat split. Surat split happened in 1907, 1 year after this thing, Muslim League. So obviously it is 2, 1, 3, 4 is the answer. Okay, meaning you did not have to know every event. Okay, Morlamento, you know, it is 1909, 2 years after that, and then only the Delhi Darbar will happen. See, these are the 3 Darbars which happened, and the years first you see, 1906 is Muslim League, 1907 is Surat split, 1909 is Morlamento, and 1911 is Delhi Darbar. Okay. So if you see here, 1978, 1903 and 1911 is the 3 Delhi Darbars. The king or queen at that time is given here, and these people will come to Delhi, and you know the India Gate itself was not India Gate, the Gateway of India. Okay, the Gateway of India was constructed that time to welcome these people only. It is like even when India is suffering from famine and struggling with malnutrition, food and all, these people are spending lakhs of crores of rupees to welcome these people, and that is why it was objected also that time. Okay, like this many stories are there. You should be an expert in modern history to know all these things, and just a spectrum textbook is more than sufficient to know all these things. Okay, so that time who was the viceroy? This LCH, Lytton Curzon and Hardinge. This also you have to by heart just like this. Okay, so if you see this is V, E and G, the first letters. Okay, so Wedge, VEG, LCH, and the year 1878, 1903, 1911. Everything happened in Delhi. That is called the Delhi Darbar. Okay. So these were the 5 questions for today. This is part of this pack. If you enroll to this pack, you will get questions and explanations PDF. And this is like lifetime validity. You can keep using it every year. So whoever is very serious about preparation, okay, you can enroll to this. And along with history spectrum, if you need other things, you can buy this pack. Okay, which has all the textbooks based question like this. Okay, with explanation. Then economics is there, revision charts are there, maps, environment, science, geography, economics, everything which you need for prelims, current affairs also. I have done myself each and every single MCQ I have drafted myself. Okay. So if you want, you can WhatsApp me and ask for the enrollment. So please keep watching the Plums episode. Put a like and comment so that your support helps us plan more and more free lectures for you. Okay, for mains also I'm planning something free, but I need your support. Okay, so we'll see you in the next episode. Thank you and have a nice day.